Good afternoon, everyone. This is Annapurna. I'm trainer for Salesforce developer course for AppShe, and I'm from SmartBridge. I certified in the platform developer one global certification, guys. Is my voice audible? If it is audible, you can raise your hand or you can mention it in Q&A. Yeah, hi, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, audible. Thank you for the response. One more thing, someone asked, yeah, Lokesh, is there what sessions again? Yes, it's possible. Attendance is mandatory, guys. Everyone must join the sessions daily. That is important. And if you want to watch the sessions once again through recordings, it's possible. The recordings will be shared in the Telegram group. I think everyone is there in the Telegram group, right? Anyone needs the Telegram group link? If yes, voice is coming. Yeah, thank you. Ma'am, we know about our attendance, ma'am. Yes. Yeah, guys, you must join the session using your registered mail ID. Then only the attendance will be tracked successfully. It is completely backend tracking, and it will means the support team, the SmartBridge team will have complete information like at what time you logged in, at time what time you logged out, how many minutes or how many hours you stayed in the session. So don't think that if I'm joining the session for 5 minutes, that's enough. No, it's not like that. So everyone must stay in the session and be concentrate. Okay, make sure that you are going to. Yeah, Rishi, yes, that's a Telegram link for the Salesforce. Thank you for the sharing, Rishi. Yes, it's mandatory to register in the get certificate. Otherwise, you will not get any virtual internship certificate, guys. You must register for the in the AppShe. Next, we are going for 1 minute. I'm getting some mail. Yeah. Just tell me what we discussed in the previous session, guys. Guys, tell me what we discussed in the previous session, in the yesterday session. Do you have any? Yeah. Yesterday we are absent, ma'am. No problem. It's the introduction. This is my first class. Okay, Rishi. Even though you can catch up, yesterday it was complete overview of what is Salesforce, what is relationship management, which architecture does Salesforce follows. Yes or no? Yeah, creation of Salesforce account and trailhead accounts. These are the things we discussed in the previous session. And 1 minute, guys. Hello, guys. Is my voice audible to you? You can raise your hand if my voice is audible. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the response. Yeah. But few of them are saying like my voice is not audible. Then it may be your network issues, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Everyone, most of them are active, very, very active in the session. I'm very happy to see this. Yeah. It's now. Yeah. We had, like in the session, we discussed about the trial headache of each once again. Ma'am, in the app, to apply Salesforce developer internship. Ma'am, I just registered in Appshe and did apply for Salesforce developer. Yeah, you must apply for Salesforce developer. Then only this track will be selected for you. Because in Appshe, there are multiple, it may be ServiceNow, Salesforce, AIML. Please once again tell the process of trial account. Yeah, I will give you review for 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, guys, because I need to complete most of the important topic data modeling in the Salesforce. Not only that, in the end, I'm going to share about the IBM. Okay, IBM course, which you must complete. That is also part of the virtual internship completion. I'll tell you what you need to complete before winding up the session. Okay, I'll take 10 minutes. I'll just explain about the IBM course and everything that is about. Okay, before winding up the session. Now I am taking for 5 minutes, guys. You must register, ma'am. I completed 44% of Salesforce developer course in past, ma'am. Is it any problem of this? No problem, Chiranjeevi. You can continue the same trial head and you can. We are going to share the self-paced modules and we are going to share the trial mix link also. Okay, you must complete each and every module related to the trial mix link and most of them will be covered in the self-paced modules. Guys, if you have doubt like what module you have to complete, those information also will be shared in the Telegram group. Okay, complete information will be shared in the Telegram group and you will receive the mails. Check your spam mails, guys. Check your all mails and spam mails also, because some you may miss the mails, right? You may think that I didn't receive, only checking the inbox. No, you must check the spam mail and also all mails. Okay, go check the spam mails also regarding sessions and everything. Yeah, you will receive the recordings of the yesterday session in the Telegram group soon, guys. It will take some time, but definitely you will receive the links. Okay, that's all we can focus on the main topic now. Yeah, it's attendance will be sent to your college. That's it. Okay, let's focus on the actual topic. Later we can discuss about all these things. Yeah, just check the spam mails also. If you are registered for this course, definitely you will receive the mails, but you must check your spam mails and everything. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to share my screen. Let's see. Is my screen visible, guys? Guys, is my screen visible? If it is visible, you can mention it in chat or you can raise your hand. Yeah, thank you for that response. Yeah, it's awesome. Right, guys? It's great. I'm excited to see all these responses. Yeah, thank you, everyone. See, this is I'm just opening a new tab, and here just type developer.salesforce.com sign up. This is a URL you are going to type. I'm sharing the link in the chat so that everyone can access it. Yeah, that's all. This is a link. Then just click on enter. Here, this is a sign up form to create a Salesforce developer account. This is a sign up form to create the Salesforce developer account. First name, your names, class name, your surname, your job title, student, your registered mail ID or personal mail ID. For ARC, it may be anything. Okay, anything is okay. It may be registered mail ID or personal mail ID, valid mail ID. And company name, you must enter your college name as company name, guys. Here, your college name. Company name is college name, and country India. Then you have to click on I agree, and you have to click on I'm not a robot and click on sign me up. Then you will receive a message like almost done, check your mails. Then what you have to do, you have to go to the mail, like the mail which you have mentioned in the work email. There you will receive the support. One second, I'll show you the mail also. I'll share the screen. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. This is a mail from support. See, support at the rate of salesforce.com. You will receive a mail to reset password. See, this is a username. If you forgot the username, you can come back to your mails and you can copy this username. And you have to click on reset password. You have to enter the password twice. That's it. And once you have, then what happens is like, see, this is the art, right? What I will do, this is the user interface that will open when you are creating an app. I'm logging out or signing out from the account. Now, how you can log in into the same day Salesforce developer account. For that, login.salesforce.com. Guys, the students who are absent yesterday, create a notepad and save all the links we are sharing in the session. You can make a single notepad for the session, okay, for this course, so that everything will be available in that notepad itself, or word pad, anything, word document or notepad, anything is okay. Yeah, you have to enter your email ID which is working. Okay, Akula Venkata Ramakrishna, you have to enter your create your account. And if it is means, sometimes what happens, guys, means the students who joined yesterday session, you may know, like, see, if we when we are creating the developer using the developer.salesforce.com sign up, when I tried to create the form, I need to try for 5 times. Yes or no? It's not coming. I didn't receive any mail. It is showing something. I tried once and once. It happens. If for the first attempt, it may not be successful, but you have to try it. Definitely, it will work. You may receive the mail message like already developer account available with the same mail ID. Even though you can try it, just close that tab and go to developer.salesforce.com once again and try it. Then definitely you will receive the mail. See, just go login.salesforce.com. See, use this URL and copy the username from previous mail. This is not the username. I'll copy it from the mail. This is a username which you have to use. See if it is saved. Click on login. That's it. This is a way to create the remind me later, or I don't want to register my phone. Anything is okay. This is the way to create a Salesforce developer account, and you will receive the recordings of the session. Don't worry, I'm saying this in the previous session. I explained about it, and now I explain. Now, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to explain about the Trailhead account. Guys, is it clear about Salesforce developer account, right? Guys, is it clear? Yes, thank you. Thank you for the response. Now, what I'm saying is like about Trailhead account because both are mandatory. In Salesforce, you're going to practice some scenarios. You are going to implement a new project in the arc. That is very important, guys. And coming to Trailhead account here, just trailhead.salesforce.com. I'm sharing the URL. Yeah, this is a URL to create your Trailhead account where you are going to learn and complete all the self-paced modules, super badges related to Salesforce. Here you can find the sign up, right? See, this is the home, learn. You can means here complete information regarding trials, modules, projects, super badges, and here community. If you are a member of community, then you can receive the messages. You can help some others who are facing errors. This is trial place, is a career marketplace, and credentials. Here you can find the information regarding certification, super badges, maintenance exams for the certification, verify certification, certification focused trial mixes. In credentials, it mainly focuses on the means complete information regarding super badges and the certifications. And this is the help where you can log a case, and if you are facing in trial head, go to help, and here you can find the information like you can log a case saying that I'm facing so and so issue, then definitely you will receive some solution from the Salesforce. Just click on sign up. This is very easy, guys. I'm already having trial account. That's the reason I can't show completely. Enter your valid email ID. Just then click on next. Then you will receive a verify code for this mail ID, then just submit it and click on submit code. Later, you have to fill the form. The main things you may get confused, like what is relationship with customer. For relationship with Salesforce, you have to select prospect as relationship with Salesforce, and role. Your role is Salesforce developer, guys. Select the role as developer, Salesforce developer, and for company name is your college name. That's it. Continue the process. This is your Trailhead account creation. I'll show you my Trailhead, how it looks, because I'm already having my Trailhead account. See, this is a Trailhead. See, this is the profile. And if you go to the profile, you can find your Trailhead URL. If you when we are asking to submit Trailhead URL, you have to submit this Trailhead URL. Here you can find complete points, how many badges you have completed, what is the range. It's a ranger, double star ranger. Okay, what's the range? Everything. And if you have completed any certifications, how many super badges and what are they, how many badges, trial mixes, future trailblazer stamps. See complete information regarding your company, your size. So what you are providing while creating the developer account, like your company name, your state, company website. It's not okay. This is a, and one more thing, you must make your settings, go to settings, and you have to make your privacy as public. Then only your status, like the profile page, will be visible. So we can know how many super badges you have completed, everything. And if you are making it as private, we can't check your status. Guys, create the Trailhead account using your registered mail ID. Later, just click on connect an account and merge your personal mail ID also. Same process, guys. This is also click on the button, just like creating the account. Merge your personal mail ID. Make sure that Trailhead account is connected to both a registered mail ID and personal mail ID, because after few months or few years, if your college mail ID is not accessible, then you can use Trailhead account using your personal mail ID, right? So connect both the things to your Trailhead account. This is about a Trailhead account creation and Salesforce developer account creation. Is it clear, guys? For relationship, you must select prospect. Sheikh, yeah, Nagesh, relationship prospect. You must select. Everyone must select. Your voice so much disturbance, ma'am. Guys, is my voice clear or any disturbances are there? Just mention it in Q&A. Is it clear or any disturbances? Yeah, most of them are saying clear. Only 1 or 2 persons are saying not clear. Thank you. Thank you for the response, guys. I have tried several times since yesterday, ma'am. For what, Ramakrishna? Regarding our creation. Just use different mail ID this time. Okay, instead of registered mail ID, try with your personal mail ID. Give the details little bit different. Try it for our creation. Definitely it will be. It will, okay, created. Company name, guys, college name, anywhere. It may be our creation, Rallied account creation. At present, your company name is your college name. That's it. You are a student, right? You can mention your company name as college name. Yeah, this is about ARG creation. So this is about ARG creation, guys. And now what we are going to do is like we are going to share the, okay, which screen is, yeah. Now we are going to learn the basic concepts, data modeling concepts of Salesforce. We are going to complete few parts. Any Q&As? How to link Salesforce module to SmartBridge? There is no need to link a Salesforce module to SmartBridge. We'll ask Trailhead URL link. Just now I showed to you guys, right? In the Trailhead profile page, you can find your Trailhead URL. We will ask the Trailhead URL to share with us. Then we can track your progress. If you are sharing your Trailhead profile URL to us, and if you are making your Trailhead profile privacy as public, then definitely we can check your progress, monitor your progress. Ma'am, after this session, can we please let us know how to track the attendance and get certificate? Yeah, definitely. Before winding up the session, I'll let you know everything, guys. Don't worry about it. Now, in progress trial mixes, trial mix by Triptija, getting this course in Salesforce Developer Catalyst, ma'am. Chiranjeevi, I didn't get you. Okay. We are going to share your trial mix. Create your trial head own with your own mail ID. You can drop the screenshot in the Telegram group. Okay, I'll inform to the supporting. Make sure that you guys also sharing the error messages in the Telegram group communication channel. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to, yeah, we can, yeah, I will let you know everything before winding up the session. First, start the session because it's already 2:54. Now we have to complete the basic thing. Ma'am, does this course requires coding language knowledge? If you know about C, Java, it's good. If not, also no problem. You can learn from the Salesforce. Don't worry about it. If you know, it's good. Otherwise, okay, you can learn it. It's not too hard, but if you work hard, definitely you can. Yeah, relationship to Salesforce is prospect. Guys, relationship to Salesforce is prospect. Prospect, not college name. Relationship to Salesforce is prospect, and company name is college name, guys. Guys, I am sharing relationship to Salesforce. It's prospect and company name as college name, guys. Okay, prospect. Next, yeah, we'll let you know later. Okay, after creating the target module, where to access everything self-paced modules. Before winding up the session, now we can focus on the actual content of today's session. That is like, okay, now the basic thing. See, if you observe, this is sales console. See this, if you click on drop down, here you can find all the tabs, objects, and different features of Salesforce like homepage. I'm opening the, not sales console, I'm opening the sales standard. That is a console navigation. I'm opening the standard navigation. See, this is a standard navigation. We discussed about the Salesforce platform also in the previous session. You will get the recordings, and while working, you can observe and definitely you can learn what is front end, back end. Okay. See, these are the leads, tasks, files, accounts. These are the tabs of the objects. So first, before creating the tab of the object, we must create the object. What is an object? Guys, do you have any idea about what is an object? You may learn about Salesforce, Java previously. Do you know? Do you have any idea about object? What is an object? What is an object? How to link the Salesforce to SmartBridge? No need to link the Salesforce, guys, to SmartBridge. I didn't get you. Where you want to, okay, object, instance of class, object is real world entity. Yeah, a real world entity. You are explaining the definition of Java. In Salesforce, okay, even though it is an instance of class, something in Salesforce, mainly the object is a database table. Object is a database table. Means in the object, in what we do in the tables in Salesforce database or any database, in the tables we'll store the information, data, records. A database table that stores data specific to an organization, database table that stores, yeah, that's correct. Object is a fundamental concept of object oriented, yeah, of course Salesforce follows the oops concept when it is coming to the coding. Okay, it's coding part, apex part. So Salesforce database is the database table. Salesforce database table. Object is a Salesforce database table, guys. And this is a teachable content I prepared for today. Okay, no problem. I'll let you. Sheets. Yeah, this is a new sheet. See, just consider this as object. It is an equal to table, right? See, table name is the object name. If we are writing here headings like name, text, data type, these things, I'll check for any files. One second, guys. I'm going to share. Guys, so what see, I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, this is a screen. See, if we consider Excel sheet, employee is a Excel sheet, right? It is consisting of all the information regarding the employees who are working in college somewhere. Okay, okay, it is college. See, in the employee sheet, like I'm storing the employee ID, employee name, date of joining, phone, salary, designation. This is the object name, and a these are fields. Columns are fields of the object, and means employee ID, employee name, date of joining. These are the fields of the object. And rows from here, it is not from here because these are the column names, means field names. And from second row, these are the records. Rows are records, columns are fields, and table name is the object name. And what is data type? You may have doubt like what is data type. See, the value means the data which we are storing in the field, in which format we are storing, in which format we are storing, that is the data type. For example, here it is a number, and here it is a text, here it is a date, and here it is a phone, here it is a currency, and here we can go for the pick list also. Okay, you will learn about pick list and everything soon. or it may be text, anything. See, in which format we are storing the data in any field, that is known as data type. Simple, guys. If you consider what is means, if you just compare with an Excel file or tabular format, so the table name here, Excel file name, is the object name, and columns are the fields of the object. Columns are the fields of the object, and rows are the rows in a table. These rows are the records. Each record will have complete information about particular thing. Like if it is employee, each record will have the complete information about employee, each employee. Like this is Srinivas information, this is Madhav information, this is Sridevi information. See, each row will have complete information regarding an employee. So rows are records, columns are fields, and table name or Excel. Okay, table name. This is a table. Just think the table. Table name is the object name. That's it. I think, did you get it, guys? Or any queries? Did you get it or any queries? Company name, your college name, guys, not Salesforce developer. Role name, you have to select developer or Salesforce developer, any option. And relationship to Salesforce, you have to select prospect, not partner. Prospect, I'm repeating multiple times. Listen once, then you can go for it. It's wrong. Company name, it's not Salesforce developer. Company name, your college name, guys. Mohit Siddhani, company name, college name. Can we need to link Salesforce account to Trailhead account? No need now. Okay. In future, definitely you are going to connect the Salesforce developer account to the Trailhead account. But now it's not necessary. Now you know how to create it, right? Later you can learn how to connect the Salesforce developer account to the Trailhead account. In future, definitely you are going to learn about that while solving the supervisors in the Trailhead modules. Guys, it's not fields or heels, it is field. Fields, fields, not fields or heels, it is fields. Okay. Columns are fields. Employee is the object name. Rows are records. And the data in which format we are storing in the fields is a data type. We are trying to reach your point. I didn't get you, Nagesh. Ma'am, slow, please. Yeah, okay. See, it's simple, right? It's very, very simple while comparing an Excel or table to a Salesforce object. Yeah, that's it. Now I will ask, tell me, guys, what is an object? What is an object? Yeah, correct. It's a database table. Yes, it's a table name, database table. Yes, yes, object is a database table. What are columns? Sorry, what are fields in object? What are fields? Fields in what are fields in an object? Fields. Yeah, the columns. Okay. Next, what are data types? What are data types? Good, good. Most of them are responding. It's very, very exciting and awesome. See, okay, what are the data types? Data types. I'm asking data types. Rows are records, guys. Rows are records. Types of fields. We have to say types of data we are storing. Yeah, text, numbers, characters. Yes, those are the data types. Definitely. In which format we are? Yeah, that's correct. Data which we are storing in a format. Yes, that's correct. Yes, yes. Most of them are correct. Good, good. Okay, you have you got an idea about what is an object, what is a field, what is a record. Rows are records, guys. Okay, rows are records. And what is a data type? That's it. Now coming to an object, there are two types of objects in Salesforce, guys. There are my screen, is my screen visible to you? Is my screen visible to you? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the response. See, yeah, here I'll close another all the other things which are not necessary. Yes. See, these are the tabs of the objects, right? These are the tabs of the object. This is a gear icon. Top right corner is a gear icon. Just click on the gear icon and go to setup. Just click on the gear icon and go to setup. Here, this is the object manager. This is a home, quick find box, and this is the app launcher. We can go, means we can open any app. That is a user interface, guys. App launcher is for the user interface, front end. Now, object manager. See here, we can find account, activity, address, all saying standard objects. Which type of object it is? Standard object means all these are standard objects. Means the already existed objects in the Salesforce are the objects which are already existed in the Salesforce are called standard objects. We will not create them, guys. They will be built-in objects. Means already existed. So these are the standard objects. There are two types of objects, main types, guys. I'm explaining about main types. There is another topic called big objects, not necessary now. Mainly, if you consider the basic types of objects are standard objects and custom objects. And these are the standard objects which are already existing in the R. See, all these are standard objects. Now next second type is a custom object. What is a custom object? The object which we are yes, there are two types, standard and custom. Good, Pradeep. See, ma'am, can you repeat what to click? Monica, regarding what? Where do you want to click? Oh, okay. Here, just click on the gear icon. See, in the top right corner, there is a gear icon, right? This is a setup page. Here, we can go for the setup page, data cloud setup, developer console. Okay, some options will be there. Just select setup page. Click on the gear icon and select setup page. That's it. This currently setup page will be open. Gear setup. That's it. See, go to object manager. You can find all the standard objects. And of course, after creating the custom objects, we can find the information of custom objects also here in the object manager. Don't worry about it. See, custom object. Now we know about what is standard object. Now, what is a custom object? Custom object is an object which we create. Which we create. Explicitly, we create. That object is known as custom object. Now, after knowing the custom object, uh, these are like accounts. If you go to the user interface, guys, accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, tasks, all these are the standard objects. Examples of standard objects. Here you can find the more objects. See, now we are talking about the custom object. How can we create a custom object? We can create a custom object in three ways. Guys, how many ways we can create a custom object? Three ways. Okay, we can create a custom object in three ways. What are they? See, this is just go to the object manager here. This is the schema builder. This is the one way, and just click on drop down of create custom object from spreadsheet. See, there are two ways here, and here schema builder is one way. Total three ways. We can create a custom object in three ways. It is very, very important. Remember, guys, what is the purpose, okay, of each feature you will learn. Okay, then see, we can create a custom object in three ways. One is using schema builder, and the second one, just click on create button, means here custom object, using custom object, and third one is custom object with or from spreadsheet, custom object from spreadsheet. This is the three ways we are discussing. Is there any YouTube of class, ma'am? No, guys, for Salesforce there is no YouTube class. Okay, there is no YouTube live session for Salesforce. Ma'am, can you tell how to find the object page? Yeah, Preetham, definitely. I think you got it right. In 3 ways, we are going to create the custom object. See, for example, this is a app launcher user interface, guys, front end. I'm just click on gear icon and just select setup page. And here, this is a home, right? Just click on object manager. And here you can find schema builder and custom object. Click on drop down of create custom object and custom object from spreadsheet. Now we are going to create a custom object using the feature of custom object. What? Okay, I'm going to explain you about all the Salesforce features by implementing some small CRM application related to college management, guys, because you know what will be there in the college, what are the scenarios, use cases. Definitely you can understand everything related to college because you are a student. Yes or no? I'm going to take the example of college management application. Screen is not visible. Guys, is my screen visible or not visible? Visible, right? Indu, just check your network issue. It may be network issue. Yeah, we can share the recordings in the Telegram group. The support team will take care about that. Guys, see, now here we are going to create a custom object. What we are doing, just in the object manager, just click on create button and select custom object. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to create a student. Label is a student. Plural label name is the students, and object name, API name will be automatically populated, and there should not be no any spaces in the object name, API name. It should have either underscores. That's it. No spaces. Now if you scroll down, I want to select the data type of auto number for student, and that is ID, student ID. Yeah, ID 001. Next, and starting number will be the 1. And starting number will be the 1. I am selecting LO reports, track field history, LO activities. You will learn about them soon. LO search. Guys, this is the option where we can create the tab directly, but now I'm not showing this option. Later I can show you. Click on save. See, the student object is created. Go to object manager, just refresh the arc. What we are doing, it may not reflect immediately, guys. Sometimes don't worry, just refresh the arc multiple times. Here, see, click on last modified. You can find the student object. See, it is a custom object. This is the way, one of the way where we can create the custom object. Now, is it clear? Guys, is it clear? Ma'am, I'm already doing Salesforce administration role. How can I create role as developer? Just change it. Change the role from after creating the talent account. Also, you can go to the profile and you can edit the role. Yes, it's clear. Now, I am going to explain about object creation using the second way. Last modified. See. Now, schema builder. Schema builder, I'm using the schema builder. Where we use the schema builder? It's loading. Yeah. See, if you observe, there are objects. See, if all objects are there, how they are connected, all these things will be visible here. I'm just clearing all. See, if you have just collect account, yeah, case, contact. See, you can view the objects, multiple objects. Means if you want to create a data model, here also you can do it, so that you can understand the objects already existing for my app and what are the fields they are and how they are connected. These are the relationships, guys. We are connecting two objects using relationships. You will learn, okay, we will learn about relationships in the next session. Okay, if possible in today's session or tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow session we are going to learn about the relationships in tomorrow session. See, this is about connections, relationship. See here we can identify the complete data modeling part, means what are the objects there for my CRM, how they are connected, what are the fields, which type of data types it is. If I just increase my C, here you can find the C text, complete data type information, whether it is a required field, and everything will be known. Everything will be known. So analyze the CRM application. What are the objects are there? For this schema builder is useful. Okay, for this purpose, schema builder is useful. And if you want to create an object, just go to the object, see elements. Just I'm clearing all first. Objects, clear all, no objects here. Go to elements, just drag and drop from object. And here you are going to enter the object name class, plural label name classes, and object name will be automatically populated. If you want to enter any description, what type of data stores in this class, then you can go for here. Here I'm using same thing, standard force. Yeah, here class name, text, which data type you want, auto number or text. I'm going for text, class name, and LO reports, LO activity, LO. That's all. Click on save. See, object is created. See, the Salesforce class object is created. When an object is created, 4 fields are automatically created. Those 4 fields are called standard fields. What are the standard fields? I'll show you. These are the standard fields. I'll show you it in the student object also. Yes. See, if you go to the fields and relationships, till now we didn't create any fields, right? But when an object is created, 4 standard fields are automatically created. One is, this is the name field, guys. For any object, one field is a standard field, that is a name field. API name of the field is name. Label name may be anything, student name, class name, but here I want to edit it. It's not student name, student number. Okay, that is a student number. So student number, owner, owner of this record, last modified by who modified it. It may not be owner, someone, some other user may be modified. Created by who created the object, who is the owner. So these 4 fields are standard fields which are created automatically when an object is created. It may be using custom object or schema builder or custom object from spreadsheet, anything. These 4 fields will be automatically created. This is about creation of object using the schema builder. Is it clear, guys? Did you get how to create the object using schema builder? While listening, are we supposed to do in the parallelly? No, guys. Now you don't do any parallel things. Just listen it. After getting after the session, you can practice it, because uh, if you are doing parallelly, you may miss something what I'm explaining. So don't implement now itself. You can do it, because we need to complete most of the topics in one session, right? Focus on, concentrate and understand each and everything. After the session, you can go for it. Yeah, how to track my certification modules, I'll let you know. We can discuss about all these things before winding up the session, Lokesh. Okay, now please now just ask the questions related to the topic. Okay, before winding up the session, means at 4:15 we can discuss about all the things. Yeah, see, it's clear, right? It's clear about once, repeat two. Guys, I can't repeat the same thing multiple times, because we need to complete most of the concepts today in today's session itself. Objects, fields, everything must be completed by today itself. So no, next we so we created using schema builder. You can get the recordings, guys. Okay, if possible, definitely I would explain multiple times, but the time is not permitting. And last 15 to 20 minutes, I need to share the IBM course link, and I have to explain about that, and I have to clear your other doubts also, right side. Now we have created the object using custom object and also schema builder. Now we are going to create the object from spreadsheet. See, we are having employee, right? Employee sheet. It is already stored in the my folder laptop. Now what I'm doing is like in the object, just create an Excel file and save it as, guys, download it as dots comma separated values CSV file. Just download it as CSV file. Create a Excel file with the field and then download it, save it as comma separated values dot CSV extension. Okay, then only it is possible to create the object using spreadsheet. Click on create object from spreadsheet. Yeah, login with Salesforce. Just login. Hello. See, upload the CSV file, Google Sheet. Sometimes these we may face errors, but we are going for the CSV file extension. See, I'm having employee sheet one. See, now here we can see every field is there. What we have to do is like we have to map it. See, employee ID integer. Just check it. Any data type is auto, number type, anything is integer. It's enough. And employee name text. And this is date of joining. It's not a phone. We have to select date. And this is not integer. We can have the data type of phone also. We have data type of emails also in Salesforce. And this is not currency. We can directly select the currency. And designation. See, there is an option called pick list also. Just now we can go for the pick list option. Later this pick list and everything. Data types. I'm selecting these things and click on next. Here you have to edit it. See, employee sheet one, it's not a proper object name. Everything you are creating, it should follow some rules, formats, right? Employee is the object. See, employee sheet one, don't do like that same thing, guys. You must edit it. Label name and plural label name. And here, that's it. Employees are enough. If you want to enter any description for the object, you can go for it. If you just click on advanced settings, if you want to allow something, or these are the advanced settings, and just click on finish. Guys, observe, see, updating profile, updating layouts. Previously it was, see, updating compact layout, importing rows, means records are inserted into the database. Yes, see, object created. See how many fields, 6 fields are detected and 6 fields are created. 10 rows are detected, 10 rows are created, imported. See, here we are having one, it's a column name, field name. So remaining 10 rows are the records, correct. And we are having F, means 6 fields. Obviously, it is correct. Just if you want to import another object, we can do. I don't want it anything now. That's it. Just refresh. Now close it. Refresh the Trailhead account. Just refresh the Trailhead account. Okay, object manager, just go for last modified. C. We have created standard student object using custom create, and we created the class object using schema builder, and we created the employee object using the spreadsheet. All these three are the custom objects. Now, how can we identify whether an object is a standard object or custom object? Do you know, guys? How can we identify or differentiate between a standard object and custom object? Guys, do you know about how to identify? By type, which type? In trailhead header, where you are opening, it's not trailhead header, it is the arg, guys. This is the arg, it's not trailhead header or trailhead account. Yes, but it's not single underscore C, but it is double underscore C. Yes, Balaji, correct. We can identify custom object by double underscore C. It's not single underscore C, but double underscore C suffix. Every custom object will have double underscores. It is double underscore C, guys. Every customer object will have API name with double underscore C as suffix. But for standard objects, there is no suffix. But here it is having suffix of double underscore C. This is the API name. And API name will be used in the formulas, validation rule formulas, and coding. When we are learning the coding part, definitely you can understand in the coding. We'll use the Apex programming language for the Salesforce. So in the coding, we will use the API names. API names will be used for objects or fields. Okay, API names. For everything, there are API names in Salesforce. So these are the API names. And label name. Label name is for the object name, guys. If you want to find the object in the object manager or somewhere, definitely you have to use the, means in the mainly object manager. See, you have to use the label name. And API name for in Apex code or in formula fields, it may be object or field, will use the API names. And coming to plural label names, plural label names will be automatically assigned to the tabs of the object. See, automatically assigned to the tabs of the object. What are tabs in Salesforce? What are tabs in Salesforce? If we are creating a tab to an object, means that object is accessible from the user interface front end. Otherwise, we can't access the object in the front end. End user can access the object only when we create a tab for that object. Only when we create the tab for the object. For example, observe here, cases, calendars. I want to add the new custom objects. I'm going for the all. I'm searching for the students. No, it's not visible. Now I'm searching for the class or classes. It's not there. But I'm searching for the employee now. See, for employees, already tab is existed. How? Because when we are creating a custom object using spreadsheet, the tab is automatically created. I mentioned earlier also, like when we are using the object creation from spreadsheet, the tab of the object, the data is imported into the object Salesforce database, fields, data types, everything are created. Even list view, everything are created in one attempt, in one go. Just click on save. See, under more you can find the employees. See, if you go to the all records, you can find that this is a record ID. This is a record ID. What is record ID? Each record, every record will have an ID, guys, in the objects. In every object, each record will have the ID, and that ID is a unique ID. Means it is unique throughout the arc, not only for object. Record IDs are unique. IDs are unique. It's unique throughout the arc, not for single object. It will be unique throughout the arc. Using record ID, we can access any record. Okay, unique identification of records is the record ID in simple words. Okay, you can learn about IDs, how to use, where to use, when we have some scenarios or examples if required. Definitely you can understand it. This is a employee number, employee name. This is a C. Recently. So this is the employees object which we created using the spreadsheet. Now we can't access the students and classes object, right? Now we can learn how to now we are going to learn how to create the tab. Is it clear till now, guys? Is it clear? Ma'am, 1 hour completed, please send the attendance. No, guys, we are not sharing any attendance link. Attendance is completely backend tracking. Yes, it's clear. Now what we are going to do is, like, we have created the objects. Now we must create the tabs. Just search for, click on home tab. This is the quick find box. Just search for the tabs, tabs. See, select the tabs, click on tabs here. Click on, see, employees tab is already existing. There are, we can create tabs for objects, web tabs, and Visual Force tabs, Visual Force pages. Lightning component tabs, lightning page tabs. If you want, we can create, but mostly we will use custom object tabs only for as a beginner. Now we have to select the student object and tab style. I'm going to select people because students are people, right? And click on next. This is about visibility of the object tab for profiles, different profiles. It is default on for all. If you change it, definitely it will reflect. Just leave it as it is. See, if you are creating any CRM application for yourself, then you have to uncheck these things, and you can say append tab to users. You have, if you are checking this one, then you are going to add that object when it is required. It is not by available by default, but now it will be available. I'm including in all the apps and profiles. Now I'm creating the class, and for class there will be a room. Okay, anything, I'm selecting castle. See it, this is about profiles. It is available for all profiles. This is about CRM apps. Click on save. Yeah, we created the tabs. See, classes, employees, students. This is the plural label name of the object that is assigned as the tab name directly. Just refresh. Just refresh it. See, by default it is available. If you are unchecking all the CRM apps, then it is not available default by default. Then we have to add it from this pencil icon. See, students and classes objects are also already available, but we have not created any types of fields. We have not created any types of fields. So these are the objects. See, student number, that will be unique number. We are not going to create any records now. We will create the records later. Okay, we'll enter the data here. If you go for the account object, click on new, means there is a form will open, right? If you are entering the data and if you are just saving it, then a record is created, guys. Like app sheet, one. If you want to connect to parent account, required fields, I'm just giving the required fields. See, record is created. App sheet one. If you want to select rating, it's up to you. You can edit it. If you want to select the type, industry, amount, it's up to you. See, a record is created. We can edit this record. If you want to delete the record, then also we can delete the record. Just click on here and delete. See, in this way we can create a record, edit a record, and delete a record. See, the record is deleted. This is about records. Now we are going to create different fields, different types of fields in the Salesforce. So fields are created with the combination of data types, right? We have to select which type of data we must store in that particular field. So every field will have associated data type. Should we need to complete them by our own? Yes, we will complete. Yes, you have to complete using trial mix self-paced modules. In the trailhead, guys, we will ask how to share the trailhead URL. Don't worry about how to connect. Join using smart bridge account. No need for trailhead account. Okay, if smart bridge trial mix will share to you, definitely then it will be connected. Don't worry. Trial mix will be updated. Everything will be done. Help this in Salesforce. Please explain it once again, ma'am. Guys, that is related to the next level. Okay, we'll discuss about before winding up the session. If you are having any queries regarding the content what I'm explaining now, just drop the queries regarding that, and you can post these queries later. See, this is about records types. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear till now? Is it clear about records, different types of custom objects, how we create? Yes. Okay, response. Now we are going to the next fields. Object. See, every student will just go to the fields and relationships, click on here, you have a new button. See, we are going to learn about field dependencies, all these things later. Deleted fields will have the information of the fields which we delete. See here, these are the data types, different data types that are available in Salesforce, like auto number, formula, roll up summary. It is available in relationships only. You will learn about it. These are two types of relationships available, and this is extra. You can learn later about this. Checkbox, currency, date or time, email, geolocation, number, person, phone, pick list. Pick list means there will be options. From options you have to select only one option, but multi select pick list means you can select more than one option. And here text, for example, I'm going to open the employee object. Yeah, before you have observed like rating also. See, designation, it is a pick list. All the values are already available. See, this is a pick list. We have to select the one value from pick list. Text area, text long area. I want text data type for the student name. And you have to know the difference between text area long and text area rich. It is very important. And time, URL, these are also data types. Text area long and text area rich will store the same amount of characters or data, but in text area long, we cannot store any images or files or formatted text. It may be means formatting the text means making the text as bold, italic. We can use underline for some part. That is not possible in the text area long. But in text area rich, we can use the formatted text, and also we can add the images, we can add the files, documents in the text area rich. This is the difference between text area long and rich. In text area rich, we can add the format, we can enter the formatted text, that is like italic, bold, some times New Roman character type, or Calibri, Arial. Otherwise, you can go for add images and any files, also documents. So in long, it is not possible. Remember, guys, I'll definitely ask you sometime, like what is the difference between text area rich and text area long? You must be ready. Like in text area rich, we are going to store formatted text, images, and files also. Click on next. We are creating the field of data type text now. I'm saying student name. Length, I want student name will be 80. Okay, maximum length. See, field name, this is the API name. Even for fields there will be API names, guys. Not only for objects, for fields also API names will be available. So the API names will be automatically created. Is it a required field? Yes, means without entering the data into this, we can't create any field. You want to make it as unique? No, because names will be common, repeated, so I don't want to make that as unique. If you want to assign any default value, you can assign here. Just click on next. This is applicable for all profiles. If you don't want, you can change it. Sorry, by default it is applicable to all profiles. This is a standard layout, and click on save and new. In this way, we will create a text data type field. In the same way, we'll create different fields, guys. For example, yeah, date of birth, date of joining, date of completion, age. See, email. We'll have email field also, address, text area, student image. If you want to add student image, we have to go for which data type. Guys, tell me, if I want to create a field of student image, then which data type I must select? Just now we discussed, right? Which data type we must select if you want the image. Recordings of the sessions will be taken care by the support team of the SmartBridge. Guys, only one response. What about the others? Good. Yes, Ashwini, you are correct. Text area rich. Text area rich, guys. Okay. Text area rich is a data type which we have to use if we want the image. If you want the image type, if you want to store the image in any field, that's correct. Yeah, you are on the track. Everyone. Then Sri, Rajiva, Usha Sri, Jashwant, everyone are correct. Good. Now, see, we created the text data type. Let's next in the same format we can create the date, everything. So I'm creating the date of birth. Which data type? Date. We are having date and time also. Click on next. Date of birth, date of birth. Is it a required? Yes, it's a required. Click on next. Click on next. If we don't want to make it as required, we can do it. Go to the previous and you can go do it. But I'm just making as required now. Click on save and new. See, date of birth field is also created. In this, just go to fields and relationships. Here you can find the student name, text data type, date of birth, date data type. Now I'm going to show you how to create a pick list field. Click on new. Is there any pick list field for the student object? No. So gender. Gender is a pick list. It's a simple pick list. Pick list. Click on next. What I want is like gender, right? See, we can create multiple pick lists. Gender. Here, global pick list value set. We can learn later about global pick list value set. Now, I'm using the second way, enter values. Here, what it will be the gender? Like, it may be male, females, or yeah, we can go for male, female, or others. Okay, these are the genders. And then just click on next. I don't want make it as required. Click on next. If you want to make that field as read only, means we can't enter the data. The user from the front end can't enter the data, but by using formulas or something, okay, we coding flows, we can assign the value. If you want to make it as read only, we can do it. If you don't want to visible make this field visible in the front end user interface for any user, then also we can do. Just we have to unselect all the apps and profiles also unselect all the profiles. Just click on next, click on save. This is a way to create a pick list. And I'll show you how to create a multi-select pick list also now. See, in the classes, we can have multi-select pick list like subjects. And we can have branch also. First, we'll go for the branch pick list. In the class object manager, last modified, click on the class, fields and relationships, and click on new. I'm going to create the first pick list. Click on next. Now what I'm doing, I'm selecting the branch, enter the values. Now I store the information like, yeah, computer science engineering and electronics and communications. I'm going for another thing, electrical engineering. Yeah, that's all. Click on next. Click on next. Click on save. Now, previously when creating the fields, it may be pick list or multi-select pick list. There is an option called global pick list value set. You can select, you can opt that, right? Now, I'm going to explain about how to create a global pick list value set. Now, I'm till now, is it clear, guys? Guys, is it clear till now? Yeah, company name, college name, role name. It's not a student. You have to select developer. Role is to a developer. Guys, sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah. Is my voice audible to you? Is it audible, guys? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the response. See, I lost the chat data, previous chat data. No issues. Okay, you can drop the queries. Just tell me, is it clear till now? Like creation of pick list, data types, fields. Because we are going to learn about creation of global pick list value set. It's clear, right? Now I'm going for the chat. Okay, chat not reachable. Reconnecting in 15 seconds. No problem. You can drop your queries in Q&A, guys. Ma'am, can you please explain me how to create Salesforce account? Okay, we have explained already about it, and you will receive the recordings of the session, guys. From there, you can go for it. Don't worry. Now, okay, it's yeah. This is about submission. Now we are going to create. I need to share my screen. Yes. Guys, is my screen visible to you? Now is it visible? Is it visible? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for the response. See, it's visible, right? Now, what you are going to do is like, yeah, we are going to create a global picklist value set. For that, just go to home and search for the picklist value set. Picklist, see, picklist value sets. Just click on picklist value sets. And this is a global value sets, guys. Click on new. We are creating the global picklist value set. And for this, we are going to create subjects. Subjects and label name, description if you want to enter anything. Now we are going to create the subjects like operating systems, C, C++, Java, and we can go for C++ and Java. Next, database management systems, computer networks, software engineering, engineering drawing, digital signal processing. These are some subjects which we are selecting, guys. Communication systems and embedded systems. Next, electrical machines. Next, we can go for power systems and then control systems. Then instrumentation and measurements. These are the subjects, guys, which we are selecting. For that, click on save. See, a pick list value set is created now, right? Now what we are going to do is like we are going to create a multi-select pick list field in the class object. Guys, in the class object, we are going to create it. So we are selecting class, fields, and relationships. And here we are going to select new data type, new field, and see, pick list multi-select. Click on next. There are some limitations when you use multi-select pick list data in automations. Yeah, don't show me this again. You can select it. Otherwise, just ignore it. Click on next. Now I'm going to create the subjects field, guys. Subjects field. I want to use the global pick list value set. See, now I'm having the subjects pick list value set. Instead of entering the values here, I can create a global pick list value set and I can use that values for multiple fields. It may be related to pick list or multi-select pick list. Only for these two. Only for pick list and multi-select pick list, we can use the global pick list value set. For example, here in the class object, I am having subjects field, and also think that in employee object also I'm having the employees, which subject they can teach. In that, yeah, here. See, in the employee object also, we are having subject field. So instead of creating the pick list twice, what I can do is like I can create a global pick list value set and I can use that pick list values for both the subjects. If any new subjects are added, then just I need to update only global pick list value set. But in different scenario, like if we are creating the subjects and in both the class and employees separately, then we must edit both the pick list values fields. Now I can do editing only once is necessary. So this is the advantage of using global pick list value set. So this is about global pick list value set. How many visible lines to you? 3, 4, you can select it. Is it a required field? Not a required field. Click on next. Is it visible or read only? I'm making as default and click on save. That's it. This is the way we create a pick list field, multi-select pick list field also. Now we are going to learn about one more feature, Salesforce feature of field dependency. One more feature. It's a simple term. Is it clear about, guys? Is it clear about fields creation? Global pick list value creation also? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Everyone can learn Salesforce, whether you are an admin or developer. Yes, it's clear, right? Yeah. Now we are going to create the field dependency. So now field dependency means there is a branch and subject. Each branch, like computer science and communications, each branch will not have the same subjects, right? Is it correct or not? Likita, we can talk about attendance later. Just drop the queries related to session content now. Guys, tell me, is computer science branch and electricals branch or electronics ECE branch will have the same subjects? Yes or no? No, right? Each, yeah, no. So in the same way, we have to uh, means based on the branch stream, the related subjects must be visible. That for that purpose, based on the, if I'm selecting branch in the user interface, only branch related branch for branch CSE, only CSE related subjects must be visible for the subject multi select pick list. For that scenarios, we will go for the field dependency. Just see, in the fields and relationships only, come to class object. In the fields and relationships, here you can find the field dependencies. Click on new field dependency. Here there will be two fields. One is controlling field and the second one is dependent field. Based on which value the other field values will be displayed, right? So the first one is the controlling field. For example, here branch. See, select a controlling field and a dependent field. Click continue when finished. On the following page, edit the filter rules that controls the values that appear in the dependent field for each value in a controlling field. These are the steps. See, the field that drives filtering is called the controlling field. Standard and custom checkboxes and pick list at least one uh, and less than 300 values can be controlling fields. So for controlling fields, the data type must be either checkbox or custom, standard or custom checkbox fields or pick list values. Only these type of, only checkbox field fields and pick list fields will be controlling objects. But coming to dependent, it may be pick list or multi-select pick list. For dependent, guys, it may be pick list, custom pick lists or multi-select pick list. For dependent field, it should be pick list or multi-select pick list. That's it. Click on continue. Now just scroll on. For computer science, what are the subjects? Like operating systems, you can select control, C++, Java, database management, computer network, software engineering, engineering drawing. Just select include values. That's it. And for electronics also they will have C. Just think that C. And then they will have electronics. They will have Java, some computer networks. Engineering drawing is common for everyone. Digital signal processing, communication systems, embedded systems. These are the include these. Just click on include values. See, just click on include values. Now, if you see for electrical engineering, most of the students electrical engineering will have. They will also have engineering drawing, and then electrical machines, power systems, control systems, instrumentations, and instrumentation and measurements. Just click on include values. If you want to exclude any value, just select it and just click on exclude values. Okay. Now we map the tick list values based on the controlling field value. Just click on save. If you want to watch the preview, just click on preview and check it and you can go for save, guys. Anything is okay. Just refresh it. Just refresh it. Now, okay. This is about data types. Now, page layouts. See, we are having page layout, right? If you want to create a new page layout, we can create it. Page layouts, if you want, we can create it. Just click on new and we can create a new page layout using existing one or something. But we are not creating now. I'm editing the existing page layout. Class name, branch, subject. Okay, these three order is okay. If I want to move branch and subjects here also, we can go for it. Owner will be here. So if you want to do modifications, you can go for it based on the requirements. Refresh, refresh. Sometimes the modifications in the page layouts may not reflect immediately. It may take hours, it may take days also. It may take hours or it may take days also, guys. Sometimes page layout, changing the page layout format, it may not reflect immediately. Remember, don't worry if I'm doing something and it is not reflected immediately in the page layouts. No, it will take time. It will not reflect immediately. It happens. Next, this is about the any queries. Yeah, attendance is considered, guys. If you join the session, don't worry. Attendance is back-end tracking. Don't think about attendance. So this is about page layouts. Now, refresh. What I'm going to do, I'm opening the classes. Click on new. For example, CSE 1. Yeah, first year. So, branch, computer science. Now I'm selecting the C and it is having engineering drawing. So I'm selecting two subjects, multiple options we can select. I'm selecting two only. Click on save. See, a class record is created. C and engineering drawing are the subjects for the first year. Owner created by, last modified by. These four are the standard fields, guys. Yeah. This is about field data types, fields, field dependency, page layouts, and we covered most of the topics like objects, fields, data types, records, record ID, page layouts, fields, different types of fields we created. We created three different types of objects also. Now we are going to discuss about relation. Is one of the important, most important feature in Salesforce. Important, guys, it's very very important. Relationships. Why relationships are very important? Because we need to connect the objects. If we are just creating the objects itself, it doesn't give the exact output what we want. We have to connect the objects, mean we have to link one object to the other object so that uh, we can get the consistent and quality data. For example, we cannot store complete information in a single object, guys. Everything related to the organization will not be stored in the single object. What we will do, create multiple objects and we will do add different fields or data in each object based on specifics. For example, see, this is the standard object, right? Account object. See, every account will be this is a standard parent object. See, contacts, it is also standard object. I'm going for the list view. See, I'm selecting all contacts. See, contacts are associated with the, means with which account, these contacts are related to which account. We can identify the information if we are connecting it. Means when we are creating a contact, each account is a company, guys. Here account is a organization or company. Contacts are employees. Just think that contacts are employees of the company and account will store the information of company. So we must know each there are multiple accounts, means multiple organizations, multiple companies. Then we have to know the employees list are associated with which company he's connected to. For example, Andy Young is from Dixon, Arthur United Oil, Ashley United Oil, Avi Green United Oil. Important employees, not all, important employees, like this information. See, this is how can we do this is, see, this is account name, but if I click on Andy, this is a standard object. I can view the Andy details, Andy object details. But this is the account name, right? Dixon, even though it is showing just like a text, but it is a hyperlink. It's a relationship field, guys, lookup field, not hyperlink. It is a lookup field. It will be connected to the account object. See, for example, I am connecting to, just clicking on the account name of contact. It is navigating to directly accounts, and that too related to Dixon. Okay, Dickinson. Okay, related to Dickinson. And for example, these are related objects. Means for accounts, accounts are connected to contacts and opportunities. Cases means account is a parent. Account is a parent. Contacts, opportunities, cases. These are the childs. These are the childs. And notes and attachments, it's common. Partners, it's different. Okay. See, account is a parent, and contacts, opportunities, cases, these are the childs. Childs means related fields. Account is a parent. This means how we are connecting this. See, when I click the account name, for example, all contact, when I'm clicking on the like Frank, not okay, Jack Rogers, I'm clicking on the account name of Jack Rogers, I'm directly navigated to the accounts object. How it is possible? This is through relationships. It is possible through relationships. See, if you want to get the consistency or consistent data, then definitely we must use the relationships in the Salesforce database. We must use the relationships in the Salesforce database. So how can we create a relationship? I think you understood the purpose of relationship, why we are creating. Anjali Priya, ma'am, you are explaining very fast and we are not catching your speed. Guys, but I need to complete the content also, right? Okay, I'll try to be some moderate. Now onwards. See, I think you got it right, guys. How to create a relationship. What it means, not how to create a relationship. Recordings are available, guys. Don't worry. What is the purpose of creating the relationship? I think you got it right. Why we create a relationship? To get the consistency and data quality, definitely we have to create the relationships, data consistency, and we have to make sure that data redundancy should be avoided, means duplicate data, duplicate records. For the two things, data consistency and data redundancy. Guys, did you get why we create relationships? Yes or no? Just confirm it. Ma'am, no. Yes, ma'am. Only one person. What about the others? Is it clear or not clear, guys? If not, I'll definitely explain one more time. Ma'am, no voice. Guys, my voice is audible, right? To get consistency. Yeah. Yes. See, if we observe, yeah, everyone is responding. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See, if we are just in the contacts, but we are connecting to other object also to know which organization is related to by relationships only. In the same way, for example, here, now we can go for the custom objects, guys. Student and classes, right? And we are going to create okay, employees. So I want to add a yeah, employees. What I want to do is like I want to add the employees, it should be connected to the classes. Employee should be connected to the classes. So for each class, who will be the HOD? Is for each class, who will be the HOD information will be available in the employee itself, right? So this is the This is a scenario for our college management. So now, to know this type of information, to connect two objects will create relationships. How many types of relationships are there in Salesforce? That is the first question. How many types of relationships are there in the Salesforce? There are two types of relationships, guys. One is lookup relationship and the second one is master detail relationship. If you go to fields and relationships, here you can, if we click on new, here we can find two types of relationships. See, lookup relationship and master detail relationship. Lookup and master detail relationship. I'm just extending. Yeah. See, lookup relationship and master detail relationships. There are two relationships. This is external lookup, means we are connecting to the external objects which are not present in this arc. Okay, that is different arc. That is external relationship. Okay, we are not focusing on this. We are focusing on these two types of relationships: lookup relationship and master detail relationship. So when to use lookup relationship, when to use master detail relationship, what is the difference between lookup relationship and master detail relationship? All these things are very, very important. I'm getting any queries? Yeah. Okay, someone. Okay, you got it. I got it, guys. You got it. See, just listen to the concept now. See, there are two types of relationships: lookup relationship and master detail relationship. In lookup relationship, what we will do? Okay, when to use lookup relationship and when to use master detail relationship, what is the difference between these two relationships? It is very, very important to understand these two things. First thing, lookup relationship. Lookup relationship is a loosely coupled, okay, and master detail is a tightly coupled. Don't give these type of answers. Even though it is correct, don't mention like it is loosely coupled, tightly coupled. We have to explain what it is. See, in the lookup relationship, if it is a lookup relationship, for example, accounts, not accounts, contacts, the for standard objects, it is special lookup relationship, guys. Normal lookup, it's not like normal lookup, but I'm explaining what will be the lookup relationship. See, if you click on new, and if you are creating any contact, if you are creating any contact like Mr., last name is mandatory, like test, without connecting to account, also if I can create the record. This is possible in lookup relationship only. But coming to master detail relationship, if you are without parent, a child record, means you must enter the or select the value from the lookup field, account record. Without parent, child record will not be created in the master detail. But coming to lookup, we can create a child record without the connecting to the parent also. Here, parent and child object. Okay, in the child object we will create the relationship. We'll create the relationship in the child object, and we will connect it to the parent object. We will create a relationship in the child object, and we will connect the relationship to the parent object. So without connecting also, we can create a record in lookup, but with it is not possible in master detail. This is the one difference. And the second difference is, like when a parent is deleted in lookup, the child will not get deleted, guys. Only a lookup will field value will be erased. The lookup field value will be erased. If the parent is deleted, then child record will not get deleted. Only lookup field value will be erased. But coming, that is for lookup. And coming to master detail relationship, in the master detail relationship, if the parent is deleted, the child record will get deleted automatically when cascading delete operation is set. When cascade deleted operation is set, see, when a user deletes the master record, master means parent, the detailed records are deleted. This is the second difference between lookup and master. And the third difference is, here child is not dependent on the parent, means without having the permission, means even though the user is not having the access for the class of sorry, employees object. Here employees is the parent, right? Or account object if it is going for standards, but the user can have the access for the contacts or the class object. In look, if you are creating lookup relationship between two objects, even though if there is no access to the parent, but we can have the access to the user, end user, the customer can have the access to the child. But coming to master detail relationship, if the user is not having the access to the parent object, then he doesn't have the access to the, automatically it is doesn't having the access for the child object. uh, Same, the parent access levels are reflects to the child. Means, for example, if the parent record is having read only permission, same applies to the child. If the parent record is having private option, means it is not visible, child record will not be visible. Child object will not be visible, not record, parent object, child object. If parent object is having edit access, also public read and write access, edit access, same applies to the child. What the access to the parent is there, same applies to the child. That is the another difference. And one more extra feature is there in sale master detail relationship, that is roll up summary field. Roll up summary field, that is a extra feature. Means it is a field which we create on the parent object, and it will summarize all the detail. Means child object, guys, it will summarize all the child records. For example, each parent may have more than one child. Each parent may have more than one child, and if you want to get the count or sum of some field value, count of records, or sum of currency or annual revenue of the child, or if you want to get some maximum, minimum number, or average, means we can apply aggregate functions on the child records using the roll up summary field on the parent object. These are the differences between master detail relationship and yes, yes, yes. Okay, why you are replying yes, 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 guys? Listen to the concept. Look up. Yeah. See, these are the differences between master detail and lookup. It is very, very important to remember. See, see, these are the points I mentioned here. See, guys, here master detail, lookup. Master detail is a tightly coupled relationship, and lookup is a loosely coupled. Loosely coupled. Okay, lookup is a loosely coupled relationship, and here without child there will no sorry, without parent there will be no child. Means child parent. Here with parent or without parent, a record can be created. With the parent or without parent, a child record can be created. And here, if a parent record is deleted, then child record will get deleted automatically. But coming to lookup, when a parent record is deleted, then child record will not get deleted automatically. Only lookup value get erased. Only lookup value get erased. Next, here child is completely controlled by the parent, guys. Here child is completely controlled by the parent, and here child is not controlled by the parent. Here we have the feature of roll up summary field, but in lookup relationship we can't create any roll up summary fields, and we can create roll up summary field only on the parent object. These are the differences. Is it clear about relationships, guys? Tell me, is it clear about relationships? Guys, is it clear about relationships? Yes or no? Yes, it's clear. Yeah. Next. Yeah. So we are going, it's already 4:19. You are having some queries. If you are okay. Uh it's already 4. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Thank you for the responses. Now, see how you, when you are implementing, we can understand how much you got it. Okay. You have to practice it and you have to implement it. Only few minutes left. So now we have created the now in tomorrow session we are going to create the relationships, guys. We are going to learn about relationships also in tomorrow session. Now we are going to discuss about a few things. If you have any queries, you can drop your queries in chat. Thank you Neeraj, thank you everyone, thank you Data. Next, guys, if you have any queries, you can drop your queries in Q&A. Now I'm going to share the Telegram link channel. Guys, I'm going to share the Telegram link channel. This is the Telegram link. And then I'm going to share the IBM. Okay, IBM course, you must complete it. Yeah, this is the IBM course, guys. You need to sign up, you must create an account, and then image, which image? Jump in, personalized in program trial mixes. No, no, it's related to Trailhead only. Explore Agent Force. This is AI, guys. Don't worry about it. It is related to 67 3,270. Means, yes, yeah. I think you have already worked on super badges, right? Super modules. I think you have solved some modules. Chiranjeevi, you are getting. Oh, sorry, it is an image. That's it. Yeah, just go to home and try it. It is a Salesforce only. Agent Force is a AI. You are going to learn about Agent Force also before and in the sessions you are going to have idea about Agent Force also. Don't worry about it. Okay, Agent Force also. That is AI. Don't worry. Just click on home and just go to profile and search for any Talent modules. That is a Talent account only. Don't worry, guys. How to do self-paced modules? Yeah, yeah. Before that, first listen, guys. IBM. I just now I shared the IBM course link, right? Just click on the link here. You have to sign up. Just click on sign up button, guys. Okay, just click on sign up button. You have to sign up with email. If you have already account, then guys, register you sign up using your registered mail ID for IBM certification or IBM course. Complete sign up using your registered mail ID. If you are having already IBM account with your registered mail ID, then go for personal mail ID. But first give the first priority for registered mail ID. Enter your first name, that is Annapurna. Last name Gurram, and email ID, valid email ID, guys. You must give valid email ID. Your valid email ID, and then password. You are going to set the password for this account. See, password does not have minimum requirements. See, one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, one special character, 10 character long. See, small. Okay. Yeah. See, I'll do one thing. Just focus on this account creation and click on submit. And see, you will receive the verification code. Click on submit and continue the process. You will receive the verification. Is my screen visible? Sorry guys, my screen is not visible. Yeah, yeah, only voice. Okay, okay, sorry. I'll share it to you once again. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm doing once again. Don't worry about it. Yeah, yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Hide. See, this is IBM course, right? I'm just closing it. See, I shared the link in the chat. Just go to it. Click on the IBM link. Here, sign up. Click on sign up with email. And here you have to give your first name. Last name. Guys, is my screen visible? If it is visible, is it visible? Visible. Thank you. See, first name, last name is like your valid email ID. Password, you are going to set the password. Follow the rules like 10 characters, special character, one capital letter. See, just click on submit and oops, something went wrong. The provided email address has already been registered. Means I have tried previously, right? That's the reason it is showing some error. But okay, you when you click on submit, you will navigate to next page where you have to type the OTP. You will receive a OTP to the mail ID and enter the OTP and continue the process, guys. That's it. It's very simple to create the account. Now I'm already having the account. I'll do 1 second. I'll go to the IBM course, log in with Google. Yeah, I'm already having the account, guys. But you have to sign up using your registered mail ID. See, this is a build your first chatbot. It will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour, and everyone must complete this task. It is also very important to get virtual internship certificate. This is one of the tasks. You have to complete it by this Saturday, by this weekend, by this Saturday, because by Sunday or Monday, it may be on Sunday also. Our support team will forward you Google Forms to submit your stickers, because once you complete this one you will receive the stickers, credentials. Okay, those things you must be submitted to the smart, means you have to submit through Google Form to the SmartBridge team. So everyone must complete this uh, course. Okay, IBM skills build course by Saturday. Only 1 hour, guys. You need to spend for only 1 hour and then it will be completed. Any more queries? Ma'am, as we are beginners, we unable to catch up with you, ma'am. Could you slow down little bit so that it will be helpful? Okay, Manikanta. Ma'am, as we are beginners, oh Himasindu. Yeah, correct. But you got the concept right. But I'm giving the examples also. Guys, you must be attentive and you will get the recordings of the session when you are getting practice. Definitely you will get it. You may think that I'm going little bit fast, but yeah, if you are having already account, just go through it and complete this course. It is very very important, guys. If you are not accessing, use a different registered mail ID, different mail ID, personal mail ID to create a account. Sign up with a different mail ID. If it is not possible with registered mail ID, then complete the course. Okay, course completion is very very important. What is three more, Manikanta? Okay, just click on the link, guys, sign up, and after signing up, the course will be visible. Here you have to click on manage enrollment. You have to enroll for this course. Yes, cancel this enrollment. No, do not cancel this means already enrolled, but for you it will be enrollment. See, we are having getting started with artificial intelligence, build your first chatbot, introduction to artificial intelligence. It is very very important. That is the reason you have to complete this. So first enroll for this activity and then click on go to activity. Mine is already enrolled. See, just a resume course. Here you can find the complete information, guys. See, this is a question, means here somewhere components. Yeah, knowledge check. In the knowledge check, there are questions you have to answer and submit it. But these questions are depends on these modules. See, just go through each and every module and say completed. Here there is an option called complete. See, if you observe here, see, click on next. Click on next means it will be selected automatically, or you have to do it. There will be instructions, go through it, what is user interface, what is NLP engineering, everything, and based on that you will have quiz also. In between you are going to have quiz, you must submit the quiz. It will take 1 hour. Complete this course by this weekend. That's all, guys. If you have any queries, we don't have enrollment button, ma'am. See, here you can find the manage enrollment right here. If it is required to enroll, then enroll it. If it is already enrolled, no problem. Here, if it is manage enrollment, just directly go to the activity and go to the course and complete the course. It is a quiz. You have to go through the instructions, understand the instructions, and complete it. That's all. This is your basic information required. Yeah. See, you have to enter this information, guys. It is means your sign up is not yet completed. You have to enter your basic information. It is optional. It is required, guys. You have to enter basic information, and you can leave these two additional information, but you have to follow terms and conditions. Just select. Okay, I'm following terms and conditions. Complete these steps also. It is the you are setting up your profile. Your sign up is not yet completed. After completing this only, that course will be available for you. You have to complete these things also, guys. You have to complete basic information and terms and conditions. You must accept these things also. It's very, very important. Yeah, it is also part of the profile. I said right after click on submit that there will be next process. You need to continue and complete this course. Now let me talk for 1 minute. See, what are the things you must complete before? What are the things you must complete before uh, the course completion? Like when we are now, you have by this week you have to complete IBM course. Tomorrow I'm going to share NASCAM. Okay, you have to register for that also. That is also important, and you have to build the project, and you have to submit the project documentation, demo video, and phases of the project document. We'll explain about them. That is another task. Every day join sessions daily, and attendance will be tracked backend, and attendance will be shared to your college by SmartBitch support team. It is completely backend, guys. Next, attendance is mandatory, and the next one is self-paced modules and trial mix. You must complete all the self-paced modules. Then most of the supervisors will come related to trial mix also will be get completed. You must complete the trial mix module also. Trial head modules. In simple words, you must complete the trial head modules also. That is another task. You have to fulfill all these 5 tasks, then only, and there will be mock tests. Sorry, another sixth one is there will be mock test and grand assessments to you guys. You have to attempt the mock test and grand assessment also. Those are the things mandatory. Yeah, time is ticking, correct, but I'm explaining, clearing your doubts, right, Manikanta? How we complete that task, ma'am? Okay, I'll let you know one by one. Now I explained about IBM in today's session. Just sign up and complete this one by today itself. It will take 1 hour. Where we can find, okay, self-paced modules link information will be find. You check your mails, spam mails also. Otherwise, in Telegram group, definitely weekly twice, our support team will share the self-paced modules information, and I'm going to share the trial mix soon, link soon. Okay, in coming sessions I'm going to share the trial mix link soon. Don't worry about it. Recordings also will be shared in the Telegram group. Everything will be available in the Telegram group. Don't worry. It will take some time. Our support team will definitely share the recordings of the sessions also. Don't worry about it. Yeah, what view will you learn? This is a page. After creating the account, just check it, guys. That may be the home page, and open it and check it. Links of recorded sessions will be available. Everything will be available in the Telegram group soon. Not at, okay, you will receive it soon. Recordings will be received by you soon. Okay, it's very valuable information. What is valuable information? Oh, thank you, ma'am. It's very valuable information. Okay. You have to complete these 6 tasks. You have to attend the mock tests and grand assessments. Everything is very, very important. యూట్యూబ్‌లో అప్‌లోడ్ చేశారు మ్యామ్. రికార్డెడ్ క్లాసెస్ లెట్ చెక్ ఇట్ గైస్. మేబీ ఇట్ మే బి రిలేటెడ్ టు Salesforce. They may be available or not available. I don't know. I'm not confirmed about it. But if I'm confirmed, I'll definitely inform you. Maybe it related to other. In YouTube channel, the live sessions are also going for other two streams, two tracks, different tracks. This is different thing, guys. These are, yeah, service now, artificial intelligence, full stack, yeah, Salesforce developer sessions. Okay, you got it. Okay, then just go through the sessions link. Yeah. Salesforce login creation is already explained, Likita. Just go through the recording. In previous yesterday session also I explained about account creation and login and explained about the complete platform. Yes, I know Telugu, Rishi Varamala. I have already account to my registered mail ID. Can I use it, ma'am? For IBM, if means if you access this course, then use it. Otherwise, use the personal mail ID and create and sign up and create another account for IBM. If you're asking about IBM, ma'am, for these accounts, is it better to log in from college mails or personal mails? Registered mail ID, guys. Okay. For IBM, use a registered mail ID. Ma'am, why should teaching is not in mother tongue? Nagarjuna, why? Because most of them are, we are going for the English medium schools. Why? To get communicate, to get habituated. If I speak in Telugu, I can I can explain you, but when you are facing any interview, he may not ask in Telugu. You must explain the concepts in English, right? Yes or no? That's the reason I'm talking in English. It's not like that I cannot speak Telugu, but it will be helpful for you because software jobs are related to MNC. Most of them, our goals are to work in a MNC company. In MNC, the MNC companies will locate in different countries, and the common language used is English. You will get habituated to English, then you can perform well in interviews and you can communicate with any other clients in English also in future. Definitely, as a software, we must speak in English to build our career in okay, in software platform. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, I know Hindi also, but no, it's national language, but we should communicate mostly in English because it will be helpful for you. Link for IBM, I'm going to share it once again. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. The link is shared in the chat and it will be available in the Telegram group soon. Don't worry about it. Yeah, you can use same mail ID for Salesforce, ARC, and IBM course, and also Trialhead account. No issues. No issues, guys. Guys, that's all for today. We can wind up the session. By now, we can meet tomorrow if you have any queries. Yeah, recording is available in YouTube too. Just go through the yesterday's recording, and today's recording will be updated soon, upload soon. Uh, just okay. Just complete the course, guys. Go through the instructions I have shown to you, right? Just go to the course and complete it. There is nothing, guys. You have to go through the instructions and quiz will be there. You can complete it by 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. It will take. That's it. More than not more than that. And after that, you will receive some stickers, credentials. You must share them. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Bye, guys. We can meet you in tomorrow session.